Uninstalling programs on a Mac is definitely different than Windows, but it's actually a lot easier. Let me show you how. First, we need to open up a Finder window. So find the Finder smiley face in your dock or press Command Spacebar, type in Finder, and you can open up Finder here, just like that, by double clicking. Once you have it open, it's going to be on some window here, maybe on recent files. So you need to find Macintosh HD. If you don't see this in the sidebar or on your desktop, go up to Finder down to Preferences. In Finder Preferences, on the General tab, we can show these items on the desktop, and we could click Hard Disks. That's going to show up over here, so you could find Macintosh HD there. I like to keep my desktop a little cleaner, so I go to Sidebar, and I can show these items in my sidebar. And if I look down to Locations, I can see hard disks here. It'll add the Macintosh HD over here, and I've favorited it, but you can put it here. To favorite, you can just drag it up into your favorites. So we'll exit out of that. So we're here. Now we need to get to our applications. That's like our program files. Here we'll see everything we have installed on our Mac. I don't use BlueJeans anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that or uninstall it. To do that, I'll right click and just move it to the trash. Now you can also click and drag. So Camlight Engine, I don't want him anymore, so I'm gonna click and drag it down to the recycle bin here and let go. Sometimes it may want you to actually enter in your password for your computer. So after you do that and hit OK, it'll allow you to actually kind of uninstall and remove that. Now the last thing we need to do is right click on that trash icon, empty trash. It's gonna ask us, are you sure you wanna permanently erase all these items in your trash? Of course we do, empty trash. And now those items are both deleted and uninstalled from your Mac.